Good Wednesday morning. Meteorologist Nikki Petrus in the Fort Wayne's NBC Weather Center with a check of your very snowy Wednesday forecast. A lot to talk about here as we look ahead to snow arriving later this evening. Much of your morning and afternoon on this Wednesday mainly cold and cloudy, but snow arrives for us later today. We have a winter impact number on this Wednesday of 2, indicating a light system, expecting 1 to 3 inches of snow in Allen County by the time we get through this system from late Wednesday into early Thursday. If you are on the roadways during that time, expect some reduced visibility, some sloppy conditions as well, as we're expecting some snow and a bit of some wet wintry mix in store for counties south and east of Allen, which we'll track out right now. As you go through Futurecast here, showing still mainly clouds and dry by the time we get to lunchtime here at 12:30 on this Wednesday. By the later evening hours here, right before dinner time, 5 o'clock, our first chance for flurries pushing in from the south and the west. Again, southwestern counties getting our first chance for those flurries later this evening. But by about 7 o'clock, we see snow spreading all of the area here. Further south, you see a bit of a mix there from snow to a bit of some freezing rain and some sleet. Our boundary between where we're going to be seeing snow and that sleet will determine how much we're expecting to accumulate over the course of this evening and much of Thursday. Going throughout your overnight hours here, late Wednesday into early Thursday, the snow continues for us, but again, you still see that boundary division between the sleet and the snow. That's going to really diminish the amount of snow we see for those southeastern counties and parts of southeastern Allen County as well as we go through this system. Continuing into Thursday evening, another chance for some light flurries possible. Overnight into Friday morning, another shot for a few lingering flurries, but overall by Friday afternoon, looking good to go, but a lot to get you through here with this system. We track this all out and see how it all accumulate from late Wednesday into Thursday. We're seeing the greatest snow totals coming further north and west, 3 to 5 inches possible if you live in areas like Kosciuszko County, LaGrange County, and just the northern part of DeKalb County there as well. Most of the heavy snowfall, again, closer to South Bend, northwest Indiana, Allen County, and across the central part of our area here, about 1 to 3 inches. Again, the greater accumulation coming for the north and western parts of the area. As you go further southeast, we're looking at less snow because of that freezing rain and a bit of that sleet in store, sort of not allowing as much snow to accumulate, a bit more wet and sloppy. Still going to have some inclement road conditions to be aware of, so just take it slow for your evening commute and especially for your morning commute tomorrow, as we do see the snow continuing throughout much of Thursday and just messy time on the roads as you begin your Thursday. For today, a high of 32, which is going to allow that snow to stick and hang around. Again, the flurries arriving for us later this evening and continuing overnight. We're falling into the 20s again, still below freezing as that snow continues. That continues all the way into Thursday. Again, if you do live south and to the east in those counties, some parts, Jay County, Van Wert County, parts of Adams County as well, because of that wintry mix in store, less accumulation possible, a bit more of a snow-ice mix into some of that sleet as well. So just keep in mind the heavier snow totals will still be to the north and to the west. A high of 30 tomorrow, and sticking with those 30s throughout the upcoming work week here. Seeing a bit of some relief coming toward the weekend, more sunshine in store. Not quite as snowy, but still winter-like and cold. We'll have more updates all day long online and at 5, 6, and 11 on Fort Wayne's NBC.